Summers and cooking. Oof. The heat, the steam, it gets too much, especially when you're in the kitchen for long. I was looking for something to make this easier, and guess what? I found the perfect solution. This is the Symphony Duet-i kitchen cooling fan, and trust me, it's a lifesaver. It has a powerful air throw which goes up to 15 feet. So even if I'm moving around, I can still feel the breeze. Let's switch it on.
Three, two, one!
This feels so cool. Plus, it oscillates smoothly, covering a wider area. And look at this, a digital touch screen that makes it super easy to control. No complicated buttons, just tap and go. And if I want even more cooling, I just check the water level indicator and add some water. Super simple, isn't it? If you spend long hours in the kitchen, this is a must have. It's compact, efficient, and just makes cooking so much more comfortable. Plus, it has a LED light and a handle to carry it easily. I've been using this for a few days now, and honestly, it makes such a big difference. Whether I'm frying, making rotis, or prepping meals, I don't feel that sticky, sweaty heat anymore. I'm in love with Symphony Duet-i kitchen cooling fan. Want to stay cool while cooking? Buy now at shop.symphonylimited.com. More details in the caption.